Hi, welcome to Total Surf Pro. In this video, we will learn about one of the key features of Total Surf Pro, which is billing types. In general, billing types are significant to every organization as it decides how invoicing has to be done. Total Surf Pro offers 6 flexible and comprehensive billing types, namely time and material, fixed price completion of contract, fixed price percentage complete, milestone, cost plus, internal use. Let's have the overview of all these billing types. Time and material billing types. Under time and material billing, there are 3 types of rate structure, namely hourly rate per resource and hourly rate per job, hourly rate per job per resource. Hourly rate per resource. It refers to the billing price of a resource for work done per hour. Price per hour and cost per hour is defined for each resource based on their experience and skill set. As a result, when hourly rate per resource is selected for time and material billing, the system automatically picks up the price per hour for every resource associated with that job and calculates the final billable amount based on the time entries done by each resource. Hourly rate per job. It refers to the billing price of a job per hour. Hourly rate per job is a fixed price determined by the client before a job is awarded to a service provided. That means, irrespective of the skill set and experience of resources, the hourly rate per job is fixed and the billable amount is calculated based on the total number of hours posted. Hourly rate per job per resource. It refers that billable price and cost of a resource can be changed at any point in job once the job starts. System automatically picks up the change price per hour and cost per hour for every resource associated with that job. Fixed price percentage complete. In this billing type, a fixed price is established for a job, though time entries are done by resource daily until the completion of the job. The final invoice is generated only upon the completion of the job. Service provider will receive lump sum amount at the end of completion of job. So, once the user clicks on complete button, invoice will be generated. Fixed price percentage complete. In this billing type, invoice would be generated based on the percentage completion of a job. All percentages are predefined along with the corresponding price tags. So, based on the completion of these percentages, a corresponding billing line item would be generated. Milestone billing type. This billing type refers to the billing line item generation based on milestone accomplishment. For example, a project may require analysis, coding, testing, and development. So, in this case, analysis, coding, testing, and deployment could be the milestones on whose accomplishment an invoice could be generated. Cost plus. Cost plus percentage refers to the extra percentage of amount that the service provider wishes to make on the total cost he occurs on completion of a client job. So, a percentage number must be filled in this field. Internal use. As the name suggests, this billing type is for internal use only, like for internal works such as building own products, upgrading software, maintaining works, etc. Even though job tasks are created and assigned to resources, the posted time entries never get to be billed at all. Thanks for watching this video. In the coming videos, let's learn about each of these billing types in detail.